Hi guys, this is an Auer derived Geneva chocolates, guys. This is popular in Switzerland. So let's see. This is the gift from Sir to me. He gave it. Try natin. This is a very nice brand, guys. Ngayon pa ako nakatikim nito, kaya kainan na. Look at this. Anong pagbasa nito, guys? Auer? Basta Auer akong pagbasa. Oh, so nice. It's an almond chocolates. So yummy. Thank you sa sir ko. Binigay daw to sa kanya, sa brother niya. Tapos on diet sila, kaya binigay sa akin. Pero ang sarap, guys. Dami pala. Sino gusto tumikim? May ano pa, guys, oh. May love letter. Hambot sa pagbasa ani, guys. Ito pala yung, guys. Established since 1939. Auer family has continued a tradition of generations as chocolate makers, a guarantee of quality for which they are famous. Today, as a meeting place for gourmets and gourmands, it offers a wide variety of products. Chocolate lovers will be delighted by the chocolate of high cacao content and the quality of the chocolate alcohol cream fillings. Those preferring mildness and smoothness will find a large choice of pralines and milk chocolate. All of our specialties are homemade in a traditional manner. A professional team working by hand and respecting the recipe of Mr. Henry Auer and his descendants produce an irreproachable quality and incomparable taste. Since 5 generations. Oh pala, sorry ani, guys. Hindi ko na ito mabasa kasi in French. Ito yung popular sa Switzerland, guys. In Geneva. Switzerland, Geneva. So, yan. Kaya kainan na, guys. Nagkaroon ko. Ano yan, Auer? Dami pa, guys. So, kain tayo.